years ago today, Céilí Nua was formed by me, Liana Louise, as director, and by Melanie de Armond as assistant director. We started the group to help preserve the tradition of teaching and performing Celtic dance after the previous group we were in went on hiatus. Unfortunately, a month after Céilí Nua was formed, the pandemic and lockdown happened, and we were no longer able to dance in person.
One of our favorite reoccurring events, where we used to teach and perform Céilí dances, was Irish Night at Joe's Great American Bar and Grill in Burbank with the musical group the Ploughboys.
Right before we stopped dancing in person, we had the opportunity to teach and perform at an event in Pasadena for One Community Irish Session for Céilí, the Contemporary Irish Arts Center, Los Angeles. We were determined to keep the group alive, even if we had to change a few things around. Céilí Nua was able to participate with our quarantine reel dance video in Céilí's 2020 online program that provided a free opportunity for artists living in the United States and Ireland to showcase their work across their social media platforms. On October 3rd, 2020, Melanie and I were able to teach Irish dance on Zoom for the Irish Immersion Weekend hosted by the Gaelic League of Los Angeles. Our YouTube channel, started in March of 2020, is also another way we've kept the group going. We started making performance videos and free dance tutorials, teaching basic steps and choreographies. We never meet in person while making any of our videos. Communication is done through Zoom meetings, phone calls, texts, and by email. The process of making our videos includes the performers deciding what they want to participate in. For example, performers pick which dance, instrument, song, or poetry reading they want to participate in, based on a simple outline of what the video will include. After that, they are sent a participant's guide with all the info they'll need to know. We have Zoom rehearsals, and I also make video tutorials for the dancers that break down the steps and teach the choreography in sections. Or if there's singing and instruments involved, there's one audio for everyone to follow along with, so the timing is in sync while they sing or play their own portion. Then comes filming and recording. Each performer films themselves dancing or records their own audio using the same rhythm and tempo, and then sends their videos and audio in for editing. In editing, that's when all the pieces are put together and it starts to make sense. Fast forward to 2021, Céilí Nua did a 7-day countdown to St. Patrick's Day on our YouTube channel, where each day you could learn a new Irish dance step. When March 17th came around, we came out with a performance video presenting Irish dancing and singing. It was a lot of fun to make. We even added some creative comedy to our video as well. To finish off the year, we made performance videos for Bealtaine, Samhain, and Christmas.
The moon shines high in
now 2022, and we're already preparing new videos to share with you all, and we'll continue to do so throughout the year. If you haven't seen any of our videos yet, or want to see them again, they are still available on our Céilí Nua YouTube channel. We look forward to the day we can all safely dance in person again. Thank you to all the participants and those who have supported us these past 2 years. Céilí Nua would be nothing without you. Thank you, viewers, for celebrating with us and watching our videos. Keep an eye out for new videos coming out this year on the Céilí Nua YouTube channel.